Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello students, my name is Miss Restu, and today we are going to learn about narrative text. Have you ever heard about horror story? How about legend? Did you ever know about the story of Cinderella? So, what is narrative text? Narrative text is a kind of story that tells an event in the past. The purpose of narrative text is to entertain, to express the feeling, to inform and persuade the reader. Kinds of narrative text. There are some kinds of narrative text such as first, fable. Fable is a story that involves animals characters that exhibit human-like behavior. It used as educational purposes. For example, the story of The Lion King. The second is fantasy. Fantasy is a story that featuring unrealistic characters and events. For example, the story of Harry Potter. The third is folk tales. An oral tradition is an old story that has been passed down verbally, offering insight into a culture custom. For example is the story of Malin Kundang. The fourth is legend. Legend is a story based on the fact about the hero. For example, the story of Roro Jonggrang. Fairy tales. Fairy tales is a story that involves folkloric characters like fairy, goblin, and dwarfs. It is featuring magical and excitement. For example, the story of Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. After that, myth. Myth is the definition of entire story that explain about life mystery. For example, the mystery of Ra, the god of Egypt. Science fiction. Science fiction is a class of poem that narrative treating of the situation. It could not be arise in the world that we know. For example, the story of Star Wars. The last is biography. Biography is a written record that explains about someone's life. Generic structure of narrative text including four. The first one is orientation. Orientation is the introduction paragraph where the characters, time, place, and the date is introduced. The second is complication. Complication is about where the problem in the story is developed. After that is resolution. Resolution is where the problem of the story is solved. The last is reorientation. Reorientation is the closing of the paragraph. We can put a moral message or the end of the story. It is very optional. It can be added or not. Language feature. There are some language features in the narrative text. The first one is using simple past tense like walk, slap, drum, and etc. using adverbial of time like once upon a time, one day, yesterday, and etc. The fourth is using specific characters like Cinderella, Snow White, and Pinocchio. Using action verb like killed, dog, hat, and etc. Using direct speech like go away from here or my name is Cinderella. Do you want a build the snowman? Okay, so far, do you understand about narrative text? Thank you for your attention and see you in the next lesson. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.